Planning to start an online business? Let's explore why Magento could be the perfect platform for your e-commerce venture. Magento is an open-source platform owned by Adobe, which allows easy customization, making each online store unique. What roles does Magento play for e-commerce businesses? It hosts an efficient shopping cart system and supports multiple payment options, providing a smooth checkout process for customers. Let's consider why you should use Magento to start an online store. Firstly, Magento is robust and scalable. Its ability to handle high traffic makes it a reliable e-commerce platform. The platform also offers unparalleled customization. You can easily personalize your online store's layout, design, features, etc. Need to keep up with the latest technologies? Magento supports the most recent versions of PHP, MySQL, Elasticsearch, and more, ensuring you're always technologically equipped. The platform's multi-platform integration allows easy store functionality enhancement using third-party extensions. Magento leads the pack regarding SEO-friendly architecture and built-in features, ensuring optimized product rankings. Security, too, is a top priority. Regular updates and fixes, improved password management, and regulation of data release ensure added safety for your online store. If you're worried about the platform's setup cost, remember that Magento is a wise long-term investment that can foster growth in the future. Besides these benefits, effective management of your Magento store is key to success. Integrate a CRM for enhanced customer data management. A CRM system can help you efficiently monitor, share, and automate data-related tasks. Also, use managed Magento hosting. The service handles server and software management, freeing you to focus on your business growth. Inventory and order management are made stress-free with Magento's real-time system and centralized admin panel, which keeps tabs on your stocks and orders. Remember to leverage Magento's extensions to save time. Automate SEO updates with the SEO Suite extension and meets GDPR requirements with Magnus's 2 GDPR extensions. Lastly, consider outsourcing marketing tasks. This will not only save time, but also spike up sales. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Magento platform. If you're ready to kickstart your e-commerce journey with Magento, go ahead and take the first step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.